conditions are utopian. The sky is blue and the players are with us for a football match so widely and keenly anticipated. Truly, this is pristine, and the level of expectation and excitement is reflected in the smiling faces of the crowd. Pogba! Quick first touch and almost as good a second. Pogba brilliantly took control of that, which was exactly what the situation required. Çalhanoğlu to the keeper and try something new. Wan-Bissaka, Bruno Fernandes, and it's played forward. McTominay is alert to the possibilities of Idris keepers. Wan-Bissaka. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. Maguire. McTominay looks to dink one in. Cavani with a shot! Whistle's gone, that's a foul. And he has shown him a yellow card. Try from distance. Ibrahimovic not easily shrugged off the ball. Donnarumma. Quick thinking by the keeper, he did well. Now it's Pogba. Cavani goes for goal! Oh, shame, that was nicely worked. Well, there are a few pockets of space that are being exploited, and they need filling, and fast. Bruno Fernandes gathers from the goal kick. It's Cavani. Ball has crossed the line and it's a throw. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. And the defence can get it clear. Has a look and has a go. Still harmlessly fast.
Ibrahimovic came up with a decent crack, but he knew rather quickly he'd gotten underneath it.
Maguire. Fred. Bruno Fernandes. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Manchester United have themselves a corner, I think. Yes, they do. Shaw. Bruno Fernandes. Surely Rashford has a shot! Clears it out of harm's way. First 45 minutes are up. So the other team has broken through.
confident one can try.
Interesting game up to now, and still goals. And we are up to the break.
What a pleasant surprise to see how open this game is turning into. Just wondering if the two teams are going to keep doing what we've seen in the first half. I hope that a cautious aspect doesn't kick in.
After 45 minutes, it is still goalless. A change perhaps after half-time. Already up and running for this. It's Rashford!
Oh, fine stop from the keeper. Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Up for a header! Decent attempt, but not quite good enough. Done very well to intervene. No, that's not the ball he wanted. Well weighted. And he's straight offside. And they've been caught out here. And it's Rashford. Fires from distance. A real chance and a real let-off.
Rashford put absolutely everything he had into that. Maybe better look next time.
That is as far as they're going to go. Cavani. Danger averted for now. And that's been won straight back. Now it's Pogba. Cavani. Pogba. Shaw. And it's Ibrahimovic. Pogba. Cavani. The whistle's gone, presumably for offside. Oh, that is asking for trouble. Oh, he's broken through. And out to safety. And it's been taken straight back.
Manchester United showing a good level of intensity at this stage. They're calling on all their resources now.
Cavani is flagged offside. And it's Pogba. Lindelof. Fred. McTominay. Rashford. It's a promising ball.
You wonder if that's it now, but there may be one more opportunity, Peter, for a late steal here.
And the referee brings it to a close. Frustrating game for attackers on either side. They hardly had a